passing lane. I can't complain. I was talking with my girlfriend, told her I was stressed. So I'm going off the deep end. She said, God, for once, give it a rest. We're all waiting in the dugout, thinking we should pitch. I ain't gonna throw a shutout if all you do is bitch. I got nothing to lose, there's nothing to gain. I get one way to cruising the passing lane. Can't complain. Now I got a brand new dance, need one more shot, just need one last chance. I won't get caught, I'll make my last stand, and this time I can't be bought. Then again, on the other hand, how much have you got? There's nothing to gain. They're like a one-way ticket to cruise down the path lane. I can't complain. Little out of place, little out of tune, so lost in space, racing along, climbing the wall of a hurricane.